Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect UChat with Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, so after this video, you will be able to set up the messenger ads that can trigger the flow in UChat directly. So now let me show you what exactly you need to do. So first is you need to connect your page with UChat, obviously, because you are building a chatbot, right? So that is the only thing you need to do. And then you can go to the Facebook Ads Manager and create the ads to that page. So let me show you my screen, and we will get to the Facebook Ads Manager. For example, this is the Facebook Ads Manager. So let me start from the fresh to show you what you need to do. For example, you are create this is a new message campaign, right? I'm not going to cover the details about the campaign setup, but at this page we will going to select the ads tab is to click to message. Okay, you can also do the sponsor message, and we will choose this click to message, and then the messaging app you can choose messenger. Okay, there are new messenger apps, WhatsApp, Instagram coming up, but in this case we are select the messenger. And here is to select the page that you already connect with UChat. Okay, make sure that you select that page. So now let's go to the next. We are actually setting up the ads. Okay, so in these ads, you can set up the primary text, headlines, and images and everything. And just make sure that you choose the send the message as the action, because this will trigger the this button, so it will actually connect to your Facebook Messenger. Okay, so this is the important part. So in this messenger template, you need to choose only the first one. Okay, not the last one, advanced setup, just the start the conversation setup, and then you can click create. Here you will able to see that for the greetings you have three options. Okay, you can have only the text and text and image and text the video. So everything you set up here, you will able to see the preview here. Okay, so that is also you can use the variable first name as the variable. So now the most important thing is here is for the custom actions. So for us, we actually support the quick replies and the buttons. Okay, so if you choose the quick replies, you can set up here. So this will be the quick replies, learn more. As you can see, it already changed. And in the automated response, here is very important, is if that your page is connected with a chatbot platform. In here, that is UChat we are talking about, and you will have this option is connect your bot. Okay, select that, and then you will be asked to provide a payload over here. Okay, we will talk about the payload later. So this is how you set up the quick replies to trigger the flow. Okay, and also you can set up as the buttons. So if you click the buttons, and you can set up the learn more, and you can open a website, and also you can send a post back. So send the post back. Here you also need to provide a payload, and this payload will trigger a chatbot flow. Okay, so as these two, you can use quick replies and the buttons and select correct action, and you will be provided an option to paste a payload over here. Okay, The difference between the quick replies and the buttons is that the quick replies, after you click, it will disappear. But the buttons will always be there, so that it will be always triggered. The flow will be always triggered. Okay, now we need to provide a payload. So why you are supposed to get this payload? Now you can go to UChat. For example, this is the page that is already connected to that ads manager, right? So you can go to the tools, and then you will see there's a Facebook ads tab. Okay, click that. So you can for example, I will say live demo. This is the new Facebook ads, right? This is the payload you want to paste in that quick reply or the buttons, okay? And you can actually turn it on and off for that ads. And also here you can select which subflow you want to redirect the user after they click that button. For example, I can click this Facebook ads subflow. So now you just copy this and go back to the ads manager and paste it here. So okay, I didn't let me copy, paste here. Okay, so when you paste here, you can actually preview in Messenger. For example, let me just preview this, and I will able to see that when I click this button, what I will able to see is this flow, that it will say this is the Facebook ads trigger flow. Let me delete this one for now. Publish. So let me click this quick reply, and you will able to see that that flow is triggered. Okay, it shows this is the Facebook ads triggered flow. So it's simple as that. So this is how you can trigger by quick reply. And also you can add multiple quick replies, and each quick reply you can redirect to different flows. Okay. And now let me show you how to do it with the buttons. So if you select the buttons, and here you will type, I think my keyboard is not working. Anyway, so I will just, okay, I can use this one, learn more. And then I will send a post back and paste the payload here. So if you preview this, it will take you to the messenger with a button. So this button will go to the same flow, and let me move it over here. Okay, it go to the same flow, and the buttons will always be here, so that you can always click this button, and that flow will be triggered again and then again. Okay, but the quick reply only triggered once. Okay, so that's how you set up, how you connect the chatbot flow with your Facebook Messenger with the quick reply and the buttons. Okay, so now let's get back to UChat. We have a few more features for this Facebook ads. First is, you can see from here there is a dashboard for the analysis. So if you click on this one, for example the first one, you will have some basic analysis of your ads click data. Okay, you can see how many users, total users clicked, and how many of those are the unique bot users, and how many of them are the new chatbot users. Okay, and also you can see the day by day the click number of the clicks, and also you can have the demographic data as the gender, and you can see which user actually coming from the ads, coming from the clicks, and what time your ads get clicked. So basically you have a mini you can also switch the time frames for the last 7 days or last 30 days. So basically you have a mini dashboard of your Facebook ads click data. Okay, so that is one of the features. Another of the features I would like to talk about is if you click the edit, and you can actually add the extra information into your chatbot. So for example, if you go to your this payload, you can actually add the UTM parameters, like which campaign, which ads, which creative is coming up, is bring the user to your chatbot. For example, let me go to this one, and you will see that if you want to add the extra parameters, you just add 2 dashes, okay, after this ref payload. And for example, you can add maximum is to 9 extra parameters. For example, I can add you just choose which custom fields you want to send for the first one, and which custom fields you want to send for the next one. For example, the first one I want to save into UTM source. Second is want to save into Mr. UTM medium. The third is UTM campaign, and then UTM asset and UTM ads. So that is the 5 parameters I want to save from the Facebook ads. So let's save that. And now let's go back to the Facebook ads and let's connect this one. Because as you can see in that second message, I want to display what is this extra parameters from the Facebook ads, right? So let me publish this, and let's go to the Facebook Ad Manager. And in this case, we will send, the format will be 1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, and then this will be source, right? So source will be CPC, and 1 dash, another dash. This is source medium. The source, the first one is Facebook. And the second is medium is CPC, and then dash dash. This is the campaign. Campaign will be live demos, and another dash dash. This is the asset. Asset will be picture. Another dash dash. It will be ad set. So I will just set creative. Okay. So if you follow this format and connect them with 2 dash, so this is the first value that will be saved in the first custom fields. Okay, so the first custom fields is actually I think is this one. It will send into this UTM source. The second one will save into UTM medium. So basically, all those 5 values will be saved into these 5 custom fields. Okay, so now let's preview this, and we already received the message. And let me click the buttons. As you can see that all those values are saved into the custom fields. Okay, you can see here is UTM, source is Facebook, medium is CPC, campaign is live demos, asset is picture, and ads is creative. Okay, so basically in this way you can tag your traffic to see which campaign is bringing you all the target traffic into your chatbot. Okay, and we are having this is just a bonus for you. Is, for example, if you go to our mini apps, so we actually have the Google Analytics event tracking. So you can actually send this, whether it's leads or purchase or appointment, you can send them to Google Analytics. Okay. And in that Google Analytics action, we actually add, you can send along the UTM parameters to the Google Analytics so that it can connect all the dots that you are running the Facebook ads. You can have the UTM information into the chatbot, and then you can send this UTM traffic information to Google Analytics and to other third-party tools so that you can track which traffic source, which campaign is converting more leads or sales for you. So basically that is today's tutorial, is to show you, first is how to connect the chatbot flow with your Facebook ads, okay? And the second is you can actually see the data from your Facebook ads clicks. And the third is you can actually save your UTM parameter, your UTM traffic information into your custom fields, and possibly to connect this traffic source with Google Analytics. Okay, so let's recap what we are covering today. So the first to make it work is you need to connect your page with UChat. Okay, and after you connect your page with UChat, you will see there's an option. If you are using the quick reply, so let me show you. If you are using the quick reply, you will able to see there's an option is connect your bots. Okay, if your page is not connected with any chatbot platform, you will only able to see the text and the none. Okay, there is no option for you to connect with your bots. Okay, so that is the first. You need to connect your page with UChat. Second is, if you go to the messenger template and you can select start conversations, and we support you to connect your chatbot flows with quick replies and also with buttons. Okay, so with quick replies, you can add multiple quick replies here, and you need to select the connect your bots in the automated response. And here for the payload, you need to grab that from UChat. Okay, and then for the buttons is the same. You need to choose the action send a post back, and also here at the payload, you need to grab that from UChat. Okay, the difference between quick reply and the buttons is quick reply disappeared after you make your choice. Okay, but the buttons will always be there, and no matter how many times you can click the buttons multiple times. So that's the difference. And also how to grab your payload is you go to the tools in your messenger channel and go to the Facebook ads tab and click create the new Facebook ads payload. Okay, and here you can use the buttons to disable this trigger or to turn it on. Okay, and this is the payload that you actually need to copy and paste into your quick replies and into your buttons. Okay, you can select which subflow you want to connect to the user. Here you can see all the analytics, and here you can add if you want to save the extra information into the custom fields. So this is UTM tracking through Messenger. You can actually save up to 9 extra parameters into your chatbot. Okay, and this is a little very simple Facebook ads report you can see. So that's for today. That's for today's video. And if you need anything else, please join our Facebook group and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, we will bring more trainings, tutorials, and new feature, new updates to you. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye.